Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to delete rows from Dataverse table in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. To delete a row from the Dataverse table, you need to go to the Microsoft Dataverse, and from here, first of all, we will use list rows from selected environment. Using this action, we will retrieve the rows which we want to delete. From here, first of all, we will choose the environment. After that, we will select table name. In the select columns, you can specify the columns which we want to retrieve from the table. In the filter rows, you can apply the filter using the logical name of the columns, right? Before saving this action, we need to make sure that connection is created. If the connection is not created, you can click on connection references and create a connection. Now I will click on save. After that, I will go to loops, and from here I will look for each loop. From here I will choose list records with organization response to dot value. Then click on save. After this, I will go to delete a row from selected environment. Right? Now what we will do is we will select the environment, and then I will choose the table name. And here we need to specify the row ID. For that, we will use the current item 2 and file upload ID, and then click on save. You have noticed here that in these two actions, we are specifying the environment name, right? Consider a scenario after developing your RPA bot. Now you need to move this solution from one environment to another environment, and then in that case you will have to come and open all these actions and change the environment name, right? Which is not easy things to do, right? To avoid that situation, what we need to do here is we will go to variables, and here I have created the variable which is environment type, and here I have given the URL of the environment, right? To get the URL of the environment, what you can do is you can go to the admin center. This is the table which we will be using to delete a row. After that, you can click on settings, and then you can click on admin center, and after this you can click on environments, and then from here you can choose the environment where you have created your Dataverse table, and then you need to click on that environment. And then here you have this environment URL field, right? From here you will just copy the URL. Now I will go back to the Power Automate desktop. Now to create the variable, I will just click on this plus icon and then click on input. Here you need to specify the name of the variable. I will specify the name as env underscore type. Since this variable already exists, I will give as underscore 1, copy it and paste it here, right? After this, you need to just paste the URL which you have copied from admin center, right? We need to leave the data type as text, right? Apart from this, here you can also specify the description. For example, please enter the environment URL, right? If you want to mark this variable as sensitive, you can just enable it, and if you want to make it as optional, you can just enable it, right? In case you make it as sensitive, in that case you will not be able to see the value of this variable, right? Since my variable is already created, I will just click on cancel, and here you can just paste that URL in the variable, right? After this, I will open these actions. After this, I will clear the environment, and from the variable I will choose environment type variable, then click on save. I will repeat the same step in the deleted row from selected environment. Here I will clear the environment and then click on this variable, and from here I will choose environment type, right? And then click on save. I will put a breakpoint here, right click on this action and then run the bot. Now I will click on run next action, and then I will click on it again. And now that row has been deleted, right? I will go to the Dataverse table. Now I will click on refresh. You can see the row has been deleted, right? So this is how you can delete a row from the Dataverse table. Now if you are going to call this desktop flow from the cloud flow, in that case you will get a input variable there, right? And then you will have to pass the URL of the environment so that same URL can be used across all the Dataverse actions in your Power Automate desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.